Good morning, children. In this video, we discuss about how to calculate the single electrode potentials and by using what? Standard hydrogen electrode. First of all, we'll see what is standard hydrogen electrode. Let me see next how to calculate that one. First thing, standard hydrogen electrode, She. What is the meaning of She? This one. What is the meaning of this one? Let me see. Standard hydrogen electrode. Now I have taken here, this is called actually what? A platinum wire. This is a platinum wire, right? So to construct a standard hydrogen electrode, I have taken a platinum wire that I am calling as platinum electrode with having a platinum black. Now this is called electrode. Electrode is made up on which metal? Platinum. Actually it is hydrogen electrode, but hydrogen is a gas, no? To get the surface, we have taken platinum electrode. Now this platinum electrode dipped in acidic solution. Okay, you may take HCl or you may take H2SO4. Both contains which type of ions here? H plus ions. So this H plus ions where you are getting from either HCl or you may get from H2S. That means this solution is what actually? Either HCl or H2SO4, right? Now here, when you construct this diagram like this, what happens here? Here, one more thing, you are sending some hydrogen gas also. Hydrogen gas into the tube actually, right? Now when you send hydrogen gas, if it undergo oxidation, okay, the hydrogen gas will convert into H plus. This hydrogen gas converting into what here? H plus ions like this here, right? So this is a reaction is called oxidation. In that case, the cell notation is surface platinum, surface hydrogen converting into here H plus like this. Next will be, this will be undergo oxidation, always will call anodic half cell. This is what? Anodic half cell. Okay, that you connect to what? Cathodic cell, right? Next, here if you take acid, that H plus ions, these H plus ions may undergo reduction. If you take 1 H plus, you will get 1 mole of hydrogen. If you get 2 moles of H plus, we get 1 mole of H2. If you take 1 mole of H plus, we get half mole of H. Both are, you can, any reaction if you write, you can write. We are getting H2, 2 electron. We are getting half H2, 1 electron. Now here, reduction reaction, no? So reduction takes place at where? Cathodic cell. Now this is what? Cathodic cell. This is what? Cathodic cell. That means when hydrogen undergo reduction, that act as a cathodic cell. When hydrogen undergo oxidation, that can act as what? Anodic half cell. And always standard hydrogen electrode potential value always will be what here? 0. Whether it is act as anode or cathode, its value will be 0. So hydrogen can act as anodic half cell. See, when it undergo oxidation, it can act as anodic half cell. When undergo reduction, it can act as cathodic half cell. Actually, thing is that we cannot calculate single electrode potential directly, isn't it? Experimentally, anything we can't calculate. What is the reduction potential of copper? Isn't it? We can't calculate directly. What is the reduction potential of zinc? We can't calculate it directly. We need a reference actually. That reference we are taking what? Standard hydrogen electrode is taken as a reference for this one. See, here it is undergoing reduction reaction. It may undergo oxidation also. So in this way we are representing it. Platinum, isn't it? We represent that one. See, we are represented, no? This one. When we represent like this, if it act as anodic half cell. When we represent like this, if it is act as cathodic half cell. Now by using this, we can calculate now, isn't it? Single electrode potential. Actually we have taken electrode potential of hydrogen will be taken 0. Arbitrarily we are taking. So knowingly we are taking 0 because to calculate other we are taking a 0 actually. So we'll take now question is what? Calculation of single electrode potential by using She. So I am calculating here reduction potential of zinc. How? Let me see here. Now whenever you connect hydrogen and zinc, okay, we connect hydrogen and zinc. Now what happened? The reduction potential of hydrogen is more when you compare with reduction potential of zinc. This is having less. Now this act as cathode, this act as anode, right? Isn't it? Now this is based upon table, the spontaneous process. No, this is spontaneous process. Now what is the formula? E naught cell formula, E cathode minus E anode formula. Now E cathode is nothing but here what? Standard hydrogen electrode. Its value always 0. E anode is nothing but what? This one. Zinc is E anode actually. Now this value we get by voltmeter or potentiometer. We get this value actually. Potentiometer. A display will be there. In the display experimentally we get that value as 0.74. Experimentally we get the display will show this one 0.7 because difference it will show. What is the difference between these two it will show, but it never show what is the reduction potential of single. Okay, only the difference it can show. So difference how much here? 0.74. Now if you write what in, now if you, this is 0, now we send here, what happened? This becomes positive, this becomes negative. The value will be what? 0.74. Next, one more, if you take calculation of reduction potential of copper plus 2. Now again you connect hydrogen and copper. Connect this one. Now this will have less reduction potential. This will have more reduction potential. Now less act as anode, more act as cathode. Now hydrogen acting as what here? Anode, whereas copper acting as here cathode. Again formula will be same here. What is cathode here? Copper. What is anode here? Hydrogen. Hydrogen value is what? 0. Now this value is given whom? Experimentally potentiometer will display this one. The difference between these two difference we get as a 0.34. Now the value will be 0.34. In this way we can easily calculate, isn't it? So in this way you can calculate very easily. So this is about the single electrode potential. You take assignment of what is standard hydrogen electrode and how to calculate reduction potential of zinc and copper. How you are these two you take as a assignment, isn't it? Write down an assignment how to take zinc and copper reduction potential, how to calculate that one. With this what happened?